Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling something super practical. How to use a 19-digit debit card for online shopping in 2025. With advancements in digital security, this process is safer and more efficient than ever. Let's dive right in. First off, before you start, make sure your 19-digit debit card is fully activated. In 2025, most banks use user-friendly apps that require a quick biometric scan, like your fingerprint or facial recognition, to get things going. This adds an extra layer of security right from the start. Once activated, head to the website or app where you want to make a purchase. Look for the payment section and select Debit Card as your method. It's straightforward, but always double-check the options to avoid any hiccups. Now, enter your 19-digit card number carefully. These cards are a bit longer than the traditional ones, so take your time to type it in accurately. You'll also need to add the expiration date, which is printed on your card, and the CVV code, usually a 3 or 4-digit number on the back. In 2025, expect some additional verification steps. Your bank might send a one-time PIN to your phone or prompt for another biometric check to confirm the transaction. This helps prevent fraud and keeps your money safe. After verifying, review your order details one last time. Hit that Confirm button, and voila, your purchase is complete. You'll get a confirmation email or notification almost instantly. A few quick tips to remember. Always use a secure Wi-Fi network, monitor your bank statements regularly, and keep your banking app updated. Online shopping should be fun and secure, not stressful. That's all for this guide. If you found this helpful, hit that like button. Subscribe for more 2025 tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe and happy shopping. See you in the next video.